On our 4-day trip coming down here, we decided that we would try and rent this place out in May and June because we figured out that we won't be able to be here that much during that period. So I'm going to clean this place up, and it's in desperate need of a good clear up and style it and take some photographs. And I'm gonna put a link in the description in case you or anybody you know of might be interested in renting a little bit of that period. And I will make sure that you get a discount code in case you are. So let's make this place beautiful.
I'm now going to finish this small wall between the walkway and the garden part, and we already cleaned this and prepared it, so now we're going to mix some mortar and then get started.
So the first thing that we needed to do was come up with a name for this house. And with the wonderful lemon tree in the garden, I always felt that it needs to have something with lemon in it. So we went for the Italian name for lemon house, which is Casa dei Limoni. And I worked out a little cute logo for the house, which I think worked out pretty nice. What do you think? So when we decided to rent the house, we decided to go with booking.com, which is a well-established site for renting, and we're already using them to rent another property that we have in the north of Sweden. So it was easy to add another property to the site. So if you are a follower since a while back of our videos, you will know the property pretty well by now. But for those of you who haven't, or if you're watching this video because you might be a little curious of renting this place, I just wanted to go through a little bit what somebody who will rent the house will get. The property is situated in a small town called Castrignano del Capo, only a few kilometers from the sea. It's about 1 hour and 20 minutes drive from Brindisi Airport and about 2.5 hours from Bari Airport, which is a little further north. Santa Maria di Leuca is the closest coastal village, which is where we often go for beach or restaurants in the summers. But Castrignano also has a good selection of little convenience shops and pastry shops and butcher, pharmacy. So everything is within walking distance there if you want to go and have a lovely dinner at night. It's a great place to be. The bedroom in the house, which has a lovely 160 bed, which is about a queen size bed in US measurements. It's quiet and situated on the private side of the house, so you get a really nice, good sleep there. And the living room has a comfortable sofa, which folds out to a sofa bed, which is also about 160 wide. So it's a nice double bed there too, if there's 4 of you. The living room has a door that leads out to the street on the one side, and there is street parking there. And in the corner of the living room is a small space where we have the washing machine and cleaning material. It's very tight, but very well equipped. The kitchen of the house is well kitted. I'm an enthusiastic cook, so if you love cooking as well, you will hopefully find most of the things that you need there. And just by the kitchen is that door that leads out into the garden. And there is a nice big outdoor kitchen as well with a barbecue, and there is a little pizza oven. You have a wonderful bathroom, which is well planned out with a large shower and a bidet there as well. Apart from the lovely outdoor kitchen, you have a dining area there as well, with 6 chairs, so you can sit a nice big group, and then you have 2 lounge chairs that you can sit and read and relax under the trees, and then in the far corner you also have 2 lounge beds and an outdoor shower. So if you do come back from the beach and you want to chill and relax outside, there is the perfect spot for it. And then obviously you can walk down the little staircase and the walkway, and then you connect to a private off-street parking, and then you have a street on the opposite side of the house. Hope that sounds interesting to you. Would love to have you as our guest.